Let's move forward with our series, AI in Excel. This is our third part. Previously, we learned about why we need AI in Excel, where we have some useful usage like automation, decision-making, insight over data, and formula. In today's lecture, we will explore automation in a practical sheet. Although, in order to use Copilot in Excel, you need subscription. But in this video, I will show you how can you use AI features for free. There is autopilot. It is slightly different, but we can use in an effective way. So here is our customer sales data followed by different salesperson. I prepare some question based on this data and try to ask autopilot for answer. First question, what is the total sales revenue for each product category? This would automate the calculation and summarization of sales by category. We copy-paste this question along with our raw data, and boom, here we get out answer. See, it gives us detail and clear answer to our question. Second question, what is the average sales price across all transactions? I typed it in, and here our answer. The average sales price across all transactions is $711.92. Let's move to our third question. Who is the top performing sales agent based on total profit, GMROI? This automates the identification of the top performer. I typed it in, and here our answer. The top performing sales agent based on total profit, GMROI, is Kelly. Fourth and last question, create a report showing each sales agent's total profit and the number of orders they handled. And here our answer. You see a detail table that shows sales agent name and total profit and number of orders. From all these type of automation question that is time taken, we use AI to get answer in a second. Remember, AI is there to help and guide you and not do your task. Thank you for watching.